Okay, so I'm here with my grobo, and I've just uninstalled the air pump that came with it and installed this little nano USB powered. Just happen to have a USB port on my surge protector, and connected it to the grobo. So looked at the previous video, you can tell it's much quieter now. In fact, I don't even hear the air pump. I just hear the bubbler, pretty much. Over here, in front of the grobo, not much to see as we're still in germination phase, only day 2, but that noise was too much. And looks like we got ample air bubbles going. My cocoa pod's a little effed up, but yeah, that's about it. Much quieter. So we'll put her all back together. Okay, it's all put back together with the new pump. I have it just hanging out externally. Can't really see it back there, but again, much quieter. Much quieter.